Today we are going to learn a seasons. Okay, what season we all have? Enna seasons la irukuma? Winter, rainy, summer. Okay, these three seasons are very important seasons. Okay, we have 12 months. No, 12 months. Three months are pirichu varum. Summer, winter and rainy. Okay, Atvik, what picture you have? Summer season. Summer season. Pratiksha, what season you have? Winter season.
Winter season.
Sarvesh, what season is this?
It's raining.
Rainy season. Very good. Sir, rainy season. Okay, in the rainy season, what and all you are using, ma? In the rainy season?
Rainy season.
See the picture and tell me. What? You use umbrellas, raincoats, then?
Jackets.
Very good. Pratiksha, in winter season, what things we will use? Mufflers. ரொம்ப குளிரா இருக்கும்ல, ஸோ அந்த டைம்ல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We are using mufflers, blouses. Okay. Atvik, in summer season, what we will use? Only cotton dresses. Cotton dresses use பண்ணுவோம். அப்புறம் கண்ணு கூசும்ல, so we use glasses. Okay, we use glasses. Say summer season. Say ma, summer season, winter season, winter season. Say Pratiksha, say summer season, winter season and rainy season. Rainy season. Okay.